Hi guys, this is Shreya.
Hi, this is Srini, and welcome to Very Filmy of Us.
So today we're talking about Patiala House, and just one of the first things that you notice about this movie that sort of draws you in is that it's supposed to be like a sports drama. But as I was watching the
Yeah,
movie, where is the sport?
it's
There's no
just
sport.
drama,
It's just melodrama. It's not even a drama.
melodrama. Yeah.
And I remember when I saw this movie for the first time when I was like younger, maybe like 10, 20, 10, 12 years back.
Hmm.
And I really loved it because it was kind of fun, it was kind of cute. But the when I rewatched it right now, yesterday, just for this video, I realized that it's actually a pretty basic generic movie. And
Yeah.
I think why we still wanted to talk about it today is because of its lost potential. Because of such a good story, of such a good premise, of such a good setup. You have a lot of angles, but I think it just got very Bollywoodified,
Yeah,
so
it
it's just
just
sort
got
of
lost
ruined.
in hatred, I feel, and the hatred of the characters, that is. There was nothing else in the movie, I feel. It just started off strong. I think the initial scenes, initial half an hour was very strong, and I was like, wow, there's such a good backstory. But then it was just very repetitive, I think. And the main character was not, I think,
You mean
Akshay, Gattu. I think he was not just his lack of personality. I know that's supposed to be his character, but even after playing cricket, there was nothing, I feel. I think it
yeah,
was
there's no
getting lost.
improvement because Akshay
The
does
only thing
like
that changed
that
that,
hopeless loss or lack of personality, unfortunate guy very well. Think of Houseful.
yeah,
Like even
loser.
pre-house, like
Yeah.
pre his Deepika era, he's amazing, and that's obviously a more comedy movie. This is more
Hmm.
sincere, but Akshay's lack of personality. The problem is that he's done very serious acting,
Yeah.
and then they try to make it funny. So the first half of the movie is very serious. There's like racism, there's
Yeah.
like India, NRI, the whole like London angle. Then automatically, once Gattu starts playing cricket, it turns into a comedy movie. And then towards the end, near the climax, it's like a full Rona Dhona rom-com
Yeah.
melodrama movie.
And I think the only change that Gattu had was that he just started smiling. There's no other change. That was his only personality change. Like, now
And
he
that is also, he's
smiles.
not smiling in front of everyone. He's smiling when characters have gone. He's like, he's not,
Yeah.
yeah.
And I think there was so much unnecessary game in the movie all throughout. These
Yeah.
cousins were blaming him all the time, and they themselves are very spineless. वो उसको पूरे time spineless spineless कह रहे थे. He does nothing.
कट करना पड़ेगा.
अरे यार.
इतना जोर से आवाज आया होगा. चलो ठीक है, start with the cousin point.
Okay, how will we remember it? ठीक
ठीक
है.
है, मैं लिख लेती हूँ.
And I feel one of the worst parts about this movie is the unnecessary blame game that's going around always. The cousins just hate him with they have so much, they disrespect him all the time. They're so, I don't know, full of anger, and they themselves are doing
Anger and
nothing.
resentment. And they're not doing,
Yeah,
yeah, exactly.
they're doing literally nothing. All they're doing is her family function में जाके complain कर रहे हैं.
आज जलेबियाँ तल रहे हैं.
Yeah. And it's funny how everyone's dream was that they want to be a chef, but we are Jalebiya Tal Raha. She wants to sing rap, but with bhajan gaa rahi.
Yeah.
I think that was funny.
But I think the cousins are like the real villains in this
And
movie,
they
even
were
though they
so
are
selfish.
they are so selfish.
Yeah.
Like first when they're like so rude and horrible for absolutely no reason, it's just a scapegoat.
Yeah.
Then when they see कि थोड़ा सा hope है, they become nice and supportive, and it's just so selfish. And I don't know why Akshay cares so much, and that is I think they're also trying to portray how these traditional Indian family dynamics used to work if the older son is not doing anything. You have to follow
Yeah.
in their footsteps. But that is what is pathetic about it.
And
Yeah, maybe it's just not the characters pathetic, it's the whole situation and the circumstances that Indian families go through is pathetic.
and I think the only people that truly cared were just Anushka and the Zishan, the
Yeah,
younger
yeah,
guy.
and they had no reason to care. Like they
Yeah.
are inserting themselves into some random person's family drama. Not even
Yeah.
drama, they are leading the drama. Zishan is a kid. Like who
12
cares?
year old kid, literally.
Yeah, and Anushka is just a
The
6 year
same,
old kid.
yeah, she's the same character in every movie, the bubbly, fun,
Yeah, and she's
happy
also
girl.
like the exact same character as her younger. Zishan and Anushka are exactly the same person. It's just she's older and she's a
Yeah,
woman. But
true.
Anushka is doing her classic Anushka character. She's like,
And I think we have to talk about the most hated character, Bauji. And
and
I
he's
get
just
the
being so
hate.
annoying.
It's just that if you hate them so much,
Why the hell are you living
why
there?
are you living there?
But that is
Like,
because they lie. That's the anti-immigrant thing, right? Like you
see,
can't, like that doesn't make sense. That go back to your own country, even though that's the first thought. But logically, that's not something that you would suggest, right? if you're living in
If
New
your
York and you're facing
family-
racism,
Huh.
you will, if someone is telling you go back to India, that's
No,
racism.
so racism is fine. That their family member was murdered. I think that is intense enough to go back, right?
No.
Yeah.
Are you insane? So you are suggesting that people should just go back to their own country and
No.
globalization, go back to Pakistan,
No,
go
no,
back
no.
to India.
It's just that he is living there and making everyone's life miserable.
But he's also doing, like, they do show that he's doing for the, so it's
He's-
actually a
he's
very
done
real
for the
thing.
South
Like, you know, if
Hall
you,
England
so for example, some
community.
random stats, like almost 80% of the hotels and motels in USA are owned by Gujaratis.
Oh,
So people don't even know that how much Indians have done. Like, pura UAE, Middle East is all Keralites and South Indian people. Even if you went to Thailand, so many Indian people
Yeah,
are working
yeah,
there as
yeah.
waiters. They're like, Madam, bill hai. I'm like, what the hell?
I remember.
And
Happy Diwali, they were wishing.
yeah, and if you go to almost any country, Indians and South Asians are making up the workforce. So the logic should not be go back to your own country. That is racism that people are fighting against, right? Like, that is white
Mhm.
supremacy in
Got it.
some way. The point should be solving problems for them, and also,
See, he did solve the problems.
yeah, he
built
built
a
like schools and
school
community. And
and
South Hall is
everything.
like famous for being like, you know, mini India.
Yeah.
Like in Canada, there's the whole Punjabi angle.
Mhm. He definitely built the community, but his whole family got
But it's
lost
also
in
like
it.
the problem. They're also trying to show that how when people set their mind, it's really difficult to change a mindset when people are that old, 70, 80 years old. Man, you can't really let go. And that too, incidents like this, you know, you can change your favorite food, you can change your favorite color, you can't change, you know, what your thoughts and brains are. So that is also the young versus old angle I think they are
Yeah.
showing.
Now that we think about it, I think okay, it makes sense. But while watching the movie, it's like
No, it makes sense, but it
Yeah.
also I'm saying that his stance is correct that, you know, we should hold our own ground, but his definition of holding ground is literally holding ground.
Yeah.
And people are just like trying to pursue their careers and shit. So which is like, the point is that he is right, like, in the core, but he's not executing it right, is the
Yeah.
thing, right?
And you know, while watching the movie, I had this one thought that he may not be racist himself. He may be very, you know, okay, fine, but he is definitely very oppressive. You know
Yeah.
how he's
Dictator
talking,
mentality.
yeah, how he's talking to his wife, how he talked to his in-laws. Like they've just come and he's given full gyan lecture in 1 minute, and I'm like, why? And that too to the
No, that is a
wo-
personality trait. He's obviously like a horrible, like,
Yeah.
patriarch.
Yeah, and I was like,
vibe.
usse thoda sa aur it's like chid mach raha hai type from
Yeah.
that character specifically. And you know, we were talking about how this movie is supposed to be a sports film, but because of that one character, it just went into drama. Like, if you see, the sport is like literally, I think maybe 10-20% of the movie.
I think that's also more.
Yeah.
Like 10% max.
Yeah, there was nothing.
There's
Because-
no like sports drama build up.
yeah, like if you like take Amish, I initially used to think this was like in a Chak De India, Dil Bode
Mhm.
Harappa category type. Dil Bode Harappa.
Mhm.
But it's really not. I think it's more in like a
Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum
Yeah.
with cricket in
Yeah.
background.
But you know, then we looked up the director of the movie, which is Nikhil Advani,
Yeah.
and he's the director of Kal Ho Na Ho. So obviously
It's such a
that
step down though. I mean,
Exact-
Kal Ho Na Ho is
It's like- I think that movie had so much
masterpiece.
structure. Every scene meant something. It was
yeah.
like so much was happening
Yeah.
throughout the movie, but here in this movie only one thing was happening. I feel there was
Yeah, true.
no plot development as such. There was like he hates them, he goes plays cricket
Yeah.
against them,
Yeah.
he likes them now.
But
There was
Nikhil
the
Advani does love the whole Indians and foreign.
patriotic.
Yeah. I mean, like
Acha.
the whole NRI. He's
Even
definitely-
Kal Ho Na Ho mein
Kal Ho Na was the pure
Salam
NRI.
Ishq also he did, you know.
He's so
Yeah.
Salam Ishq also a great movie. I
Yeah.
think, but also I just want to know ki Patiala House a Dharma movie because it doesn't feel like a Dharma movie.
I don't really know actually. We'll have to
I
check
think it
that
has
एक बार.
to. Wait, let me check. No, it's not. That is why that whole magic is missing. Because you
Yeah.
can see Karan Johar in
That's true.
Kal Ho Na Ho. You can see the Karan Johar new age mentality. You can
Hmm.
see a touch of him in
Yeah.
Salam and Namaste. Kal Ho Na Ho, if you tell me Kal Ho Na Ho
I
was
did
directed
not
by
know.
Karan Johar, in fact, when I was a kid, I used to assume it was
I
Karan
used
Johar.
to think it like they're
And
very
you can see the
recently.
difference in the production house. I feel Patiala House is just, I think, let me check who is it for. I think it's by Akshay Kumar's production house. So, I mean, you can see Akshay had a lot of control then
Yeah.
over the thing.
And I think Akshay also loves doing these sort of movies like drama, patriotism.
Yeah, now though it's his signature.
It's his signature
Yeah.
now.
I think this
they-
was like
2011 type.
Yeah.
So maybe it
Tabhi
was
he was
just a
not. He was
beginning.
doing like Peacemar Khan. He was doing more fun stuff.
Uh-huh.
But this is still, I
Maybe this
think, this
was a
is still
serious
not
role
a
for
bad
him.
movie. I would not say that it's a bad movie. Never watch it. But don't have like insane. The thing that disappoints me is that this movie could have been amazing.
Yeah.
This could have been like, the story is so good. Even the casting is amazing. If you think Rishi, Akshay, the casting is really good.
Yeah.
It just got messed up
It
in
just
like,
fell flat,
yeah,
I
it just fell
think.
flat.
Yeah.
Characters were not as fleshed out. The premise was kind of shaky. Like the
Mm.
premise was good, but they just didn't, execute it well. It was
It just
just,
kept coming back to the same emotional thing. Like,
yeah,
there should have been something more.
yeah, and
Something
there's
more.
no enough more. They didn't even show that there was enough motivation for Akshay. Like he didn't play
Yeah.
cricket for 20 years. One random annoying Punjabi girl comes and tells him, "Khelo," and he starts playing. Like there was no like reward for his
Yeah.
playing and choosing to play cricket. There was no like, there was a in battle, but there was not that intense. He didn't have any real motivation to start playing. If itna sa
Yeah.
motivation he needed, he wasted his life. And that's what
Yeah.
that's one of the
He
first
just
one of the only key points I wrote about this movie was that he's a character and he's doomed by his own will.
yeah.
Like he has absolutely no reason to like ruin his life like that.
And chalo, if he loves cricket so much, if he's not able to play in this team, I think he could have still done something. Maybe like a coach. He
He
could
could
have
have
done
done like so many,
something.
maybe even coach only the Indian kids, bhai. Like
Yeah.
there's so
Start your
much
own
to
sports
do.
academy. I'm sure they have all the money they need.
Yeah.
He has built such a big house in South Hall, England. He of course has the money for it, right?
Yeah.
And
I don't think they are shown as upper class, or they're showing as like middle class, working class people, because they're like running grocery stores and stuff
Yeah.
like that. So I
Could
think
be.
that doesn't. I don't think it's a money. They're like
Just the
wealthy now.
ichha, he didn't
Yeah.
have the will so much.
He was just dead.
Yeah, and at the end, he's just playing to sort of be okay. He has a better equation with his cousins or
Yeah.
siblings, which is such a stupid reason to
Yeah, and
play.
I would not care. I mean, I really would not care. In fact, if everyone was like, "Don't play," if I want to play, I'm gonna play, and
Yeah.
and vice versa.
Yeah.
But one of the more tragic characters of this movie is, what's her name? Dimple Kapadia.
Of course.
She
Yeah.
is like such a ruined potential. They made her like the booty auntie when she was like not even like
She was
that
not even
old.
that old, yeah.
And the way that she's portrayed like as a weak, she doesn't really
Oppressed.
do anything. Even when she does take a stand, so you notice when she's trying to take a stand and then he sits down and then she sits down at his feet. So
Yeah.
the visual representation is that she's gone back. Like she spoke up for like a
Oh.
minute, then she like went back into like being a servile domestic woman.
Yeah.
So that is what, like, even like they didn't even try to like fix that. So, and reminded me so much of that Jaya
Jaya
Bachchan,
Bachchan
like
scene, yeah.
scene, like
Yeah.
Kehdiana. And I feel Jaya was still more stronger with her opinion than
She was like, "Keh diya na, bas keh diya," and then she walked away.
yeah.
She's like,
And
"Oh."
she's like trying to convince and stuff, which is, I just like really didn't like that dynamic, and that also just shows throughout the movie, which is
Yeah.
also the point. But yeah, one of the things I really wanted to point out about this movie.
Yeah. But I think overall this movie had immense potential. It just some things went wrong. I think there could have been a better character development throughout the movie, not just
But
पूरे में कुछ नहीं है
before
then हो
we
गया.
hit and
Mhm.
wrap up the video, one thing
Mhm.
that we have to mention is the amazing music.
Shit, I
I mean, this
completely
movie
forgot.
has every
Yeah,
song is just
true.
perfection.
And now these songs are coming back to reels if you've
Maybe
noticed.
talk to me. That's such an
Yeah,
underrated
that is a
gem.
song. But Longnar Lashkar has become a full dancing song
Yeah,
now.
that was amazing. Even that was a super hit when it came out, I
हाँ,
feel.
अच्छा,
Yeah.
हाँ.
Even like that party song.
I know which one you're
Yeah.
talking about.
Yeah.
The
And
rapper girl. Yeah. And even
Hardcore.
and
such a
then
good name.
yeah.
My God.
Because core, yeah. And then there was this slow song in the starting.
Kyun? That's one of my favorite
Yeah.
songs. I love
And
that
that's
song.
also a good song. The music in this movie
That is a very
amazing.
underrated song, I feel. Like we don't
Is it?
talk. Yeah, I think so.
Oh, could be.
And
I
it's
listen to
also-
it very regularly.
I'm just saying underrated in general.
Yeah.
And this movie also has like peak 2010 fashion moments. Like if you see what Anushka is wearing, what all her
The
cousins are wearing.
sari she is
Like
worn.
if I pull out a photo of me at 15, 16, I would be dressed like that. They like really nailed the fashion.
Yeah.
Which is amazing. And they also like really nailed the whole community angle that Indians have when they live abroad sort of thing.
Yeah. True.
Yeah. But I think
Overall, a good movie. I think definitely a one-time watch for sure. And
yeah.
what
But like
do you
don't
think?
like have your hopes up high
Yeah,
and don't
not too
prepare and
much.
get popcorn.
No,
It's
no,
something
no,
you can
no.
even play in the background.
Yeah.
It's nice, but could have been amazing. Yeah. And what else is there to talk about this movie? I don't think it was that big of a hit though. I think
Yeah,
it was
it was
like,
not. It was not. We checked.
yeah,
It was not
oh,
a hit.
not okay.
Yeah. So what would you rate it finally? What would you rate? I
Out
think
of
last
10.
time we decided mirchis. One
Yeah.
on five, 1 to 5 mirchi. What would you rate it?
Wasn't it 1 to 10?
I think it was 5.
I think it was 10.
Okay, fine. We'll take 10.
Yeah, we'll take 10.
Okay.
Because 10 when there's no more,
Yeah,
and I
yeah,
would
yeah.
want to rate it on 10. So for me, this movie would be 6.
I was about to say like 6.7.
Wow, you went to 0.7.
I thought you said ki we'll,
Funny thing.
I think it's not good enough to be a 7, but it's not that bad that it's a 6.
I think to me
Somewhere.
it's a 6.
6.5, 6.7 type.
I mean, I am shocked that her rating is higher because she was like rolling and she's like, this movie when we were
Yeah, but
watching
the
it.
thing is, I will watch any movie for entertainment. So my
Yeah.
bar for rating movies is very different. Like it should be entertaining, is what it is at the end of the movie. And
Yeah.
I'm sure characters
You
are
know,
important.
the first half of the movie is actually entertaining. Second half,
Because
so
that's what the first
annoying.
part, first half an hour to an hour is it's good.
All right.
Yeah.
But then
But
it just.
Anushka Sharma's character gets annoying.
They didn't even need her. Yeah.
Just like any other heroine actor.
Yeah, it's a side
Yeah.
character. It's that pretty girl. But yeah, I
Yeah.
think that's about it. And I think, yeah. So 6.7
7.
and 6.
Yeah. Let us know
That's
what your rating would be.
Yeah. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye.